Hello kids, welcome back. In our previous video, we were doing 3-digit division with a 1-digit number, that too without leaving any remainder. Okay. Now, today, yesterday we have done worksheets based on that. Now, today we will be doing your book exercise. Okay. So, get ready with your copy and pencil. Okay. Let us start. Now kids, you can see on your screen exercise 5.4. So as you can see on your screen, today we will be doing exercise 5.4. Okay, given on page number 90 in your textbook. So let us read the question first. So the first question says, divide and find the quotient. Divide and find the quotient. Okay. Now, before moving ahead, once again, let us recall the various terms that are related to division. Now, when we do division, dividend is the number that we write here. Divisor is the number with that we divide a given number. Quotient is the answer, and the number that we get in the last is our remainder. Okay. So quotient is the answer. Now here we have to find the quotient. We have to divide and then we have to find the quotient. Now let us start with the question number 1. So our first question is 60 divided by 3. Our first question is 60 divided by 3. Let us do. Though these questions are very easy and we have practiced them yesterday, still to make your grip strong on the division, we are doing the exercise question also. Now, we have to divide 60 with 3. Okay. So 60 is dividend. 60 is dividend. We will write 60 here. We will write 60 here inside the box. We will write 3 here outside the box. Now what we will do? We have discussed this yesterday that whenever we divide, we start from the leftmost side. Okay. So at the leftmost side in the division we are having 6. We are having 6. Now we have to see whether 6 is greater than 3 or smaller than 3. We have to see whether the 6 is greater than 3 or smaller than 3. Now 6 is greater than 3. Now what next we have to do? We have to check whether we get 6 in 3's table or not. We have to check whether we get 6 in 3's table or not. Count the table. 3 ones are 3. 3 twos are 6. 3 twos are 6. So we will write 6 below 6 and we will subtract. We will write 6 below 6 and what we will do? We will subtract. Now 6 minus 6 we will get 0, or we will put a cross here. Now we are left with 0 here. So what we will do? We will carry down this 0. Okay. Now this 0 is smaller than 3. So we know that 3 zeros are 0, है ना? So we will take it 0 times. We will put a 0 up here in the quotient and then we will subtract 0 from 0 and we will get a cross here. So our answer is 20. Okay. So here in this question our answer is 20. Now this is your exercise question, exercise 5.4, question number 1. Now based on the same question I am going to give you one more question. Do it yourself. This is just a practice question, okay? So the question is 80 divided by 4. Do this question. 80 divided by 4. Solve it. Start from the leftmost side. Make a box. First of all, make a box. Write 80. Write down 4. Now solve it. Completed? Okay. So first we will see whether we get 8 in 4's table or not. So 4 twos are 8. So 4 के टेबल में तो 8 आता है. Now what we will do? We will write 8 below 8. We will put a minus sign. Now 8 minus 8 we will get a cross. We will carry down 0. Now 4 के टेबल में 0 आता है. The way we have done our last question. 4 zeros are 0. 4 zeros are 0. Okay. So the answer is 20. Okay. Now let us move toward the next question. Okay. So the next question is 80 divided by 4. This question we have just practiced. Now let us do question number 3. 86 divided by 2. 86 divided by 2. A very easy question. 86 divided by 2. Do this question yourself. This question is very easy. Completed? Start from leftmost side. Okay. So let us do. So we will start with leftmost side, okay? So at the leftmost side of the dividend, we are having 8 here. Now, do we get 8 in 2's table? Yes. 2 4s are 8. 2 4s are we get 8. So we will write 8 below 8 and we will subtract. 8 minus 8 we will get cross. Next we have to carry down 6. Now do we get 6 in 2's table? Do we get 6 in 2's table? Yes. 2 3s are 6. Okay now. So 6 minus 6 we will get 0. So our answer is 43. है ना? You all have got the same answer, no? Okay, this question is very easy. 2-digit division with a 1-digit number. Okay. Now let us move toward the next question. Now next question is 408 divided by 4. Next question is 408 divided by 4. Okay. Let us do this question. 408 divided by 4. Okay, let us start. So do we get 4 in 4's table? We will start with this number. Do we get 4 in 4 table? Yes. One time 4 ones are 4. We will subtract 4 from 4. We will get a cross here, है ना? 4 में से 4 गया, कुछ नहीं. Now we will carry down 0. Now do we get 0 in 4's table? Well, yes, we do. 4 zeros are 4 zeros are 0. Okay. We'll put a cross here. Now we will carry down 8. So 4, 8. Do we get 8 in 4's table? Do we get 8 in 4 table? Count the table. So 4 2s are 8. We will write 2 in the quotient. We will write 8 below 8. And then 8 minus 8 we will get cross. Nothing. Okay. Clear? This question is clear. Now let us move ahead. Now let us do some selective question. Okay. Okay. Now we will do question number 6. Question number 6 is 952 divided by 7. 952 divided by 7. Now look at this question very carefully. So we are having 952 divided by 7. Okay. Now, so here we are having 9 at the leftmost side. Okay. अब इस क्वेश्चन को सारे बच्चे ध्यान से देखेंगे. यहाँ पे we are having 9 at the leftmost side. Now we have to check whether we get 9 in 7th table or not. अब हमें पता करना है कि 7 के टेबल में 9 आता है या नहीं आता है. So let us write the 7th table. 7 1 just 7. 7 2 is 14. Now ध्यान से देखना. 7 1 is 7. Now 7 2 is 14. So 2 times में तो ये 9 से ज़्यादा हो जा रहा है. What we will do? टू टाइम्स में ये 9 से ज़्यादा हो जा रहा है. We will take it one time. Okay. 7 1 is 7. We will take it one time only. Okay. Now 7 1 is we were having 7. Okay. So अब क्या करेंगे? 9 के नीचे हमने 7 लिख दिया. 9 के नीचे what we have written? We have written 7 here. Okay. Now 9 minus 7. 9 minus 7 we will get 2. Okay. We will get 2. Now what will happen? Now we will carry down 5. Now we will carry down 5. अब क्या करेंगे? Now we are having 25, है ना? Now we will count the table of 7 to get 25. या तो 25 आए 7 के टेबल में, या तो 25 से कम आए. कम क्यों और अधिक क्यों नहीं? क्योंकि अगर 25 से ग्रेटर नंबर आ जाएगा तो वो हम 25 से सब्ट्रैक्ट नहीं कर पाएंगे. एंड दैट्स व्हाई वी नीड अ नंबर that must be smaller than 25 or equal to 25. So let us write table of 7. 7 1 is 7. 7 4 2 is 14. 7 3 is 21. 7 4 is 28. Okay. Now 7 1 is 7. 7 2 is 14. 7 3 is 21. 7 4 is 28. अब ध्यान से देखना बेटा. 7 4 is 28 जो कि 25 से ग्रेटर हो गया. 28 25 से ग्रेटर हो गया ना. अच्छा, वी हैव टू टेक द नंबर. अब तो आप बोल सकते हो कि मैम वाई नॉट वी आर टेकिंग 7. 14 क्यों नहीं ले रहे हैं? दीज नंबर आर स्मॉलर देन 25. वी आर नॉट टेकिंग 14 और 7 बिकॉज वी नीड अ नंबर जस्ट स्मॉलर देन 25 से थोड़ा सा छोटा होना चाहिए. सो 7 3s are 21. We will take 7 3s are 21. Okay. Now we will subtract. Now 5 minus 4, how much we will get? 5 minus 4, 5 minus 1 we will get 4, and 2 minus 2 we will get cross or nothing. Okay. Now 5 minus 1 4. We will carry down 2. अब ये 2 हमारे पास बचा, अभी 2 बचा है तो हमने 2 भी कैरी डाउन किया. नाउ 7 का टेबल ऐसा काउंट करना है सो दैट वी गेट 42. ओके. अब हमें 7 का टेबल ऐसा काउंट करना है सो दैट वी कैन गेट 42. Let us start. 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14, 7 threes are 21, 7 fours are 28, 7 fives are 35, 7 six are 42. So we have got 42 at 6 times. 7 6 are 42. Okay. Now what we will do? We will subtract it. We will 42 minus 42, we will get nothing. We will get a cross. Okay. Fine, you got it. Now, as this is a new type of question for you, I am going to give you one more question for you to practice. So now you have to divide 45 with 3. A kind of similar question, but with a smaller digit. 45 divided by 3. Do this question. Start from the leftmost side. Now, we will start from 4. That means leftmost digit. At leftmost digit, we are having 4 here. So, now do we get 4 in 3's table? Let us write 3's table. 3 ones are 3. 3 twos are 6. 3 threes are 9. So, what we have found? We have found that at 2 time only the number is increased. The number is greater than 4. 6 is greater than 4. So, what we will do? We will take it one time. Okay. We will take it one time. So, 3 ones are 3. Now, what we will do? We will subtract 3 from 4. How much we will get? 4 minus 3. 4 minus 3 we will get 1. Now we will carry down 5. So, now we are having 15 here. So, do we get 15 in 3's table? Count the 3's table. 3 ones are 3. 3 twos are 6. 3 threes are 9. 3 fours are 12. And 3 fives are 15. At 5 times we have got 15. 3 fives are 15. Now 15 minus 15 we will get nothing. We will get 0. So our quotient will be 15. Okay. Nice. So we have done up to question number 6. Okay. We have done up to question number 6. Now, let us do question number 7. So, question number 7 says 927 divided by 9. 927 divided by 9. Let us do this question. 927 divided by 9. Okay. So, we'll start from first digit, that is 9. So do we get 9 in 9's table? Oh yes, we get 9 ones are 9. Now what we will do? We will put a cross here. Okay. Now what we have to do? We have to carry down this 2. Okay. Now let us compare the number. Now this 2 is smaller than 9. The 2 is smaller than 9. 2 ये जो 2 हमने नीचे कैरी डाउन किया ये 9 से तो छोटा है. तो क्या 9 के टेबल में 2 आता है? 9 1 जा 9, 9 2 जा 18, 9 3 जा 27. नो, 9 के टेबल में तो 2 नहीं आता. अब 9 के टेबल में 2 नहीं आता, हम क्या करेंगे? हम इस 7 से हेल्प लेंगे. अब इस 7 को हम नीचे लाएंगे. बट always keep in your mind that whenever we carry down two number at the same time, we put a 0 here. Okay. Now हमेशा ये बात ध्यान रखेंगे कि जब भी हम 2 नंबर्स एक साथ नीचे लाते हैं, एक साथ कैरी डाउन करते हैं, तो हम ऊपर एक 0 इंक्रीज करते हैं. ओके. नाउ 9 के टेबल में क्या 27 आता है? 9 ones are 9, 9 twos are 18, 9 threes are 27. 3 times में है ना. So 27 we will subtract from 27. What we will get? 7 minus 7 nothing. 2 minus 2 nothing. Okay, so our answer is 103. Again I am repeating, whenever we will carry down two number at the same time, we increase a 0 here. Okay, whenever we carry down two number, हम एक 0 यहाँ पे लिखते हैं क्वोशिएंट में. Okay, now I am going to give a similar question to you also. Solve this question. 525 divided by 5. Do this question. (525) divided by 5. This question is very much similar to the question that we have just completed. Let us start. So 5 ones are 5. We'll put a cross here. Now we will carry down this 2. So again this 2 is smaller than 5. What we will do? This 2 is smaller than 5. क्या करेंगे? We'll take help from 5. और अभी हमने क्या सीखा कि जब भी हम 2 नंबर एक साथ नीचे कैरी डाउन करते हैं, we increase a 0. Now do we get 25 in 5's table? Count the table. Do we get 25 in 5 table? Yes. 5 5s are 25. Now what we will do? We will put a cross here. Okay. Great. Now, अच्छा, so question number 8. Let us do question number 8. 714 divided by 6. 714 divided by 6. Okay. Start doing this question. I will help you. ये क्वेश्चन पहले आप लोग करो, then I will help you. Okay, we'll start from 7, this leftmost digit. So do we get 7 in 6 table? 6 1s are 6, 6 2s are 12. No, we will write 1, 1 times लेके जाएंगे. 6 1s are 6. Now 7 minus 6, how much we will get? We will get 1. And now we will carry down this digit 1. Okay, now we are having 11. Again, do we get 11 in 6 table? 6 1s are 6, 6 2s are 12, 6 3s are 18. क्या 6 के टेबल में 11 आता है? नहीं आता. एंड तो 6 के टेबल में 11 नहीं आता, तो हम कितने टाइम्स लेके जाएंगे? We will take it 1 time. Why only 1 time? Because 2 times में ये 12 11 से ज़्यादा हो जा रहा है. So 1 time we will carry it. 6 1s are 6. Now subtract 6 from 11. How much we will get? 6 के बाद count करो so that we will get 11. 7 8 9 10 11 5. Okay, now we are having 5. We will carry down this 4 here. 54. तो क्या 6 के टेबल में 54 आता है? 6 का टेबल काउंट करिए. Yes, 6 9s are 54. 6 9s are 54. Now let us put a cross here. Okay, so our answer is 119. Okay kids, now today we have done this 3-digit division with a 1 digit from your book exercise. Tomorrow after revising it, we will start our next concept. Okay.